What's up, EP crew? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Please like and subscribe so you can be a part of the EP crew. I'm going to be serving you guys looks today with a half up, half down, featuring Organique, yeah. Well, y'all see what's going on here. Okay, and it comes with 3 bundles. It's a deep wave curl. It comes with an 18, a 20, and a 22. And this is my bundle. I think this is the 22 one, I think. And it's pretty nice, if you guys can see, 22. And featuring, of course, the one and only She's Bomb collection. I will be using this to slick my ponytail. As you guys can see, I already have it half up, half down, just because it was kind of hard to part, like without it was kind of hard to part in here because, you know, I couldn't see. But yeah, and I'm just gonna jump right into it. After I complete those 2 things in the back of my head I call braids, I'm going to tuck them into a stocking cap and pull the stocking cap over my ponytail. Then I'm going to take some concealer and mark my part. After I measure the track from ear to ear, I cut it, then I put glue, and then I lay it. For a faster drying time, I do use a blow dryer. It's completely optional. Then I continue this method until about the middle of the half of my head. When I get to the middle of my head, I do start to double my tracks just to hide any lumpiness and to make it appear flat. When I finish laying my tracks, I take my last track and lay it where my ponytail and my half down meets just to make it appear seamless. After that dries, I'm going to cut the stocking cap off and get as close as possible as I can. Now I'm going to take my pony, braid it, and then wrap it into a bun. I am not going to glue my tracks because I like to redo my ponytail every day, so I just take bobby pins and stick them where I start, and then wrap around and stick them where I need them to be secure. After I get to the end of the track, I take a piece of hair and I comb it and I hairspray it so it can get sticky and firm, and I continue to do that and wrap it around my ponytail. And when I get to the end of the ponytail, I just stick it with a bobby pin. This is my finished look. I love it. I think it's so cute. $20, okay? $20 plus tax, $21. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next videos. EPTV.